अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। ये जो वीडियो है इसका मेन टॉपिक है फर्स्ट एड एंड बैंडेजिंग। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है फर्स्ट एड एंड बैंडेजिंग। फर्स्ट, the immediate care given to a person victim who has suddenly become ill or has been injured. Role of first aider. अब फर्स्ट एडर के रोल क्या है? Bridge the gap between the time of the accident and arrival of the physician, and when medical assistance begins, does not intend to compete with or take place of the physician. Objective of first aid is to prolong life, to alleviate suffering, to prevent further or added injury. Characteristics of good first aider: observant, notices all signs, resourceful, make best use of all things, gentle, should not cause a pain, tactful, should not be alarming, sympathetic, should be comforting. फर्स्ट एड किट में क्या क्या होता है? रबिंग अल्कोहल होता है, प्रोवाइडाइन, आयोडाइन होता है, हाइड्रोजन पीरोक्साइड होता है, कॉटन है, ये कॉटन स्वैब, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे हैं जो फर्स्ट एड किट में होनी चाहिए। आगे कंडीशंस रिक्वायरिंग फर्स्ट एड: fainting signs symptoms caused by fainting caused by a sudden fall in the supply of blood to their brain that result in the temporary loss of consciousness. Signs symptoms: sweating, dizzying, nausea, weakness, paleness, ringing in the ears, blurred vision. Lay the person flat on the ground, elevate the legs to coax more blood into your brain. If person is on chair, push his head down between his knees. Loose and tight clothing. Avoid crowding the patient. Call a doctor if necessary. Nosebleed occurs when the small blood vessels in the lining of the nose burst. It very common in children and often results from harmless activities such as your child picking up their nose, blowing it too hard or too open, or from getting knocked on the nose during play. Sit down and lean forward slightly. Pinch the lower part of the nostril just below the bony part of the nose of 10 minutes while breathing through the mouth. Release nostrils slowly. Repeat procedure if bleeding continue. Do not touch or blow the nose for about 24 hours. Do not patch the affected nostrils with cotton. Bring patient to the hospital if necessary. Wounds: break in the continuity of tissues, either external or external. Sign symptoms is pain, swelling. ये साइन सिस्टम्स है। ये क्लासिफिकेशन इज a closed, internal, open, external explanation. The types of closed wounds are continuous, more commonly known as bruises caused by a blunt force trauma that damages tissues under the skin. Strained muscles, overstretching of muscles that have not been sufficiently warmed up could be called muscles. Cold muscles, spring ligament, sudden force causing the joint to move beyond its natural range of movement. For example, to break one's fall at speed during an activity such as ice skating. Rest the effective area, ice application or cold compression over the effective area, elevate the effective area above the heart. ओपन वाउंड. अब ओपन वाउंड में क्या है? abrasions, superficial wounds in which the topmost layer of the skin is trapped out, are jagged, irregular, blunt breaks or tears in the soft tissues. Evolution is a forcible separation or tearing of tissues from the victim's body. ये है punctures. Wounds are caused by sharp jagged that penetrate the skin. The major principle of open wound treatment is to control bleeding, direct pressure, elevation, prevent further contamination of the wound, wound dressing, bandaging, embolize the injured parts, stability any impaled object. A medical conditions in which there is a break in the continuity of the bone. A bone fracture can be the result of high force impact or stress or travel injury as the result of certain medical conditions that weaken the bones. This is the type of fractures. Signs and symptoms. First, initial treatment for fracture of the arms, legs, hands and feet in the field, including the splinting the extremely in the position it is in found. Elevation and ice embolization will be very helpful with initial pain control. Bandaging hemorrhagic is using applying the pressure to bleeding wounds, covering a wound and burns, and providing support and embolization for broken bones, sprain and strains. These include a gauze, triangle, elastic, and tubular bandage, head top for head injuries, chest bandage, hand bandage, arm sling, underarm sling, create bandage for forehead, cravat bandage for the neck, cravat bandage for the cheek or legs, cravat bandage for the eye, cravat for elbow, cravat for the knee, cravat for the forearm, arm, leg and thigh. I hope you like this video. Our main topic is first aid bandaging. Thank you so much. This is a shoulder arm Clark. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.